approaching southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roof, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central St. Mary's and southeastern Charles counties, including the following locations: Bushwood, Clements, Compton, Morganza, Chapsco, Mount Victoria, Top Hill, Wicomico, Maddox, and Loveville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor